Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most attractive, famous designing ideas of beautiful metal working. New and attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding, most attractive, beautiful metal working designs and ideas. Best designer ideas you can see in this my video. Every types of metal working and woodworking you can see. You can visit my channel and see more collection about home decor ideas, office decor ideas. You can decorating your room, your lounge, your office, your bedroom with beautiful and trendy, stylish metalworking or woodworking. Useful projects you can see. Best new designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Share my video with your relatives, with your sweet friends, and also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and attractive, beautiful metal working, stylish woodworking designs? Fantastic ideas, easy to make. You can easily make these very beautiful ideas, stylish projects at home. If you know metalworking or woodworking, please friends subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video, my collection. Thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.